Bravo final, runway 10, still land.
Golf Bravo, surface wind 010 degrees, 5 knots, runway 10, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 10, Golf Bravo.
Okay, not quite eddy speed, but 70 is more like what the POH says. 2 reds, 2 whites on the
Feels more
centre line.
comfortable, to be fair.
Yeah. Tiny bit high. Not too stressed about that with a long runway.
I was like aiming for the green light.
Yeah. Car beat goes away. High. Not bothered. Some people talk about when the lights, edge lights, are going up around your ears. I don't know about that too much. Looking at the red lights, and you're not allowed to touch the ground. Just not allowed. Not allowed. Not allowed.
Nicely done.
Okay, and we're probably going to get a Echo, Charlie and Bravo, aren't we?
Golf Bravo, vacate left, taxi to High G by Echo Charlie Bravo.
Vacate left and to High G via Echo, Charlie and Bravo.